Dystopia, the normal reaction of feeling the anguish of living vegan in a non-vegan world, where the immense suffering of innocent others whom we've never even met hurts those of us who have empathy.
Hello, students. Today I'm filming my iPad. I'm filming my Instagram account. When I open my Instagram account, I am constantly facing videos that leave me almost paralyzed and unable to talk. It is often very difficult for me to get on with my day when I see the suffering that happens, but I think it is important that I communicate to the best of my ability with you so that you can make informed choices going forward. Animals feel pain like we do, and they feel fear, and they want to live. It is horrific what humans do to them, and it never ceases to break my heart that famous YouTubers are not speaking out against this. I am completely bewildered as to how anyone can think that it's okay to harm animals in this way, and I am once again appealing to them to please join me and help me save these innocent victims from watching their friends being hurt and from being harmed in this way. I invite anybody who has a heart to please stop eating meat and stop drinking cow's milk. And if you would like to see more about what actually goes on, you can follow this account on Instagram. Thank you to everyone who is being as vegan as possible. Thank you to everyone who has empathy and who knows how wrong this is. Thank you to everyone who can clearly see that we would never do this to cats or dogs. And thank you to everyone who is Googling vegan food to help end this Holocaust.